Hello everyone, we are here from this game number 9 of PD World Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship 2024 and also have a woman grandmaster Rochelle Wu. So she was born on March 2006 at the age of 18. So so Rochelle is very smart, cute, pretty and she was a best playing chess master in these games. So Rochelle is a friendship of Jennifer Yu. So also have a woman international master Zainab Sultanbek in Kazakhstan. So she was born on March 31, 2004 at the age of 20. So in this video we have analyzed here of these chess games after round number 9. So white plays Wu d4, knight f6 Sultan back, c4, g6, knight c3, bishop g7 is called King's Indian defense and normal variation, and also e4. So e4, our King's Indian here from this one is knight f3 or maybe d5. So back here, this one is so e4, castle, h3, d6, bishop e3, e5, d5, knight bd7, g4, knight c5, f3, a5, knight ge2, c6, knight g3, capture this pawn, c takes d5, and also h5, bishop e2, h4 threatening knight, and also knight f1, knight h7, knight d2, bishop d7, knight c4, queen c7, a4, bishop f6, and also queen f2. I mean king f2, sorry. King f2. So king f2 from this one, so bad move of this Rochelle Wu. So king f2 doesn't want there on this computer engine of these moves. So the best moves there is castle only. Castle. So back there is king f2, rook fb8, knight a3, bishop g5, captured bishop, knight takes g5, king g2, knight h7, bishop b5, and also g g5. So g5 are bad move of this computer engine. So the best moves here is so captured bishop and also knight. So knight takes b5. So knight takes b5 and also queen e7 here. So back there is one. So back there is g5, bishop takes d7, good move by Wu. Queen takes d7, knight c4, another bad move by Wu. So knight c4, another bad move by Wu. So the best moves here is this knight. So knight cb5. So back there is one is knight c4, rook a6. Nako, brand X from Sultanbek. So the best moves there is branded is b5. So b5 are there. So back there is rook c1, rook c1, brand X from Wu. The branded best moves is rook a3 only. So rook a3. So back there is rook c1, knight f8, knight b5, knight g6, knight c takes d6, Knight f4 check, king h2, good move by Wu. Knight f knight fd3, knight f5, brilliant move by Sultan Bek. Rook rook g6, so rook g6. So for example, so why don't we capture knight takes c1? So queen takes c queen takes c1. So queen takes c1, you also have a knight takes a4. So knight takes c4 there, this moves. So back there is, so rook g6, rook c2, b6, rook d rook d2, attacking this knight. So knight f4, queen c2, king h7, rook c1, rook rook c8. So rook c8, so under attack. So knight are moves from knight a6, so threatening queen here. And also queen d1, rook g8, b3, rook gd8, knight bd6, rook b8, knight c4, f6, knight takes a5, knight takes e4, threatening rook, capture this pawn of this knight, b takes a5 from knight, and also rook c8. So rook c8 are, so bad move by Wu. So the best moves there is rook c4. So rook c4 there. So rook c4. So back there is rook c6, queen a7. So queen a7, bad move from Sultan Bek. So the best moves here is queen b7 there. So queen b7. So queen b7 are attacking this pawn there. So back there is, so queen a7, rook dc2, battery, rook d7, rook d2, bad move, another bad move by Wu. So rook d2. So the best moves there is, we call this. So what we call this is rook. What do you call? Oh my god. So the best moves is rook 6 c3. So rook 6 c3 are defense. Okay. So back there is one is rook d rook d2, rook b4, Bran X, wrong move by Sultan Bek. So rook b4. So wrong move from this one. So the best moves there is, so what do you call this? So knight knight g6 only. So the best moves is knight g6 only there. So knight g6. So back there is one is rook b4, king c2, queen b7. So attacking this pawn, under attack from pawn. And also knight d6, queen a7. So 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 queen a7 from back to back, and knight. So knight's how we call it? So knight d6 from threatening queen here. Knight c4. So bad move, another bad move. What happened to Wu? So knight c4, another bad move. So the best moves there is rook. What do you call this? Rook c4 there. So rook c4. So if the capture this knights there, so rook takes c4, and also knight takes c4 there. So so higher of this evaluation bar there. So back there is knight c4, rook bd7, battery, wrong move by Sultan Bek. So the best moves there is what do you call this? So the best moves is King G7 there. So King G7. So back there is so Rook PD7, D6, good move by Wu. So after that, oh, Rook takes B3. What happened? Oh my God, lowest in evaluation bar. So so lowest in evaluation bar, blunder ratios by Sultan Beg. So what happened? First puzzle, what happened? This brilliant move by Wu. So for we have continued that after that start. Thank you so much from congrats for there. Queen takes Queen takes B3, brilliant move by Wu. Strongest move. Very strong, strongest move by Wu. And Rook takes B3. Rook C7 check. So good move by Wu. Queen takes C7. D takes C7. Rook takes H3 check. King G1. Rook G3 check. King F1. Rook H3. Rook D7 check. King G6. And C8 queen. So Rook H1 check. King F2. Rook H2 check. King E1. Rook H1 check. King D2. Rook H2 check. King C3. And also Knight E2 check. So King C2 and also Knight D4 check, King D3, and also Rook Rook H3 Rook H3 check, and last moves from this move. So Knight E3 there. So so it means resign from Sultan Bek from Kazakhstan. So 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 Rochelle Wu is a best grandmasters from this chess move, Rochelle Wu from USA. So congratulations winning from this woman grandmaster Rochelle Wu. Yay! Congratulations from this one. So I hope they enjoyed this analyzed game. So thank you for watching. I'm Mark Lowagi and I Mark 17. So thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day. Keep safe and goodbye.